Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and welcome back to a new drawing. Today we will see BROLY full power from Dragonball Super in Rage. Make sure to thumb up the video guys, I'm sure that we can reach 1000 likes today. As you guys know, I like to draw my characters a little more muscular than usual. I know BROLY is very massive, but I will still add some more muscles to him, because BROLY can never have enough muscles. Let's not forget the scratches and veins to make him look even more badass. And if you are new on my channel guys, hit the subscribe button and don't miss any of my future uploads. If you saw my recent drawings, you know that I did a lot of dynamic drawings in the last weeks. This drawing right here is very basic. The reason is that the main focus is on the coloring, which you will see in a few moments. coloring was really fun, guys. I tried a little different coloring technique here. I use a reference for the line art, but still change some things. The coloring is all from the mind though. I love drawing from my imagination. I think my drawing looked the best when I use only my imagination. And if you want to support me and my work, check out my shop, guys. There you can find some of my original artwork. You can also order drawings by me. Just contact me via email or through my social media accounts. All the info in my description below, guys. But you can also support me just by sharing my videos, give them a like and comment your opinion down below. And there it is, guys, the final drawing. I have to say that I am very happy with the result. The coloring turned out just as I imagined it. I decided to add not any background or aura to it because it would take the focus from BROLY and the coloring, which was the main thing today. But how do you like the drawing, and especially the coloring, guys? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. And as I said, thumb up the video to support me and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. The link to my shop is in the description and the links to my social media accounts are as well. Thank you very much for watching, guys. That's it for today and I see you on the next video again. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.